pin po sa damit or pictures.
Okay.
Sa bike po, sa harap po ng bike.
Okay.
Helmet sticker sa harap
okay.
din po. Wristband left or right guys.
Okay. Luck!
Yeah! Woo! See you tomorrow!
Okay, after we get our race kit for our day 1, umikot tayo dun sa mga booths ng mga major sponsors. And then we have a chance to win cool prizes from Gravelton. And let's go home and prepare for tomorrow's race. Good luck! Luck! Wala. Participants are coming in. Mula pa kahapon dun sa race kit claiming sa festivities, familiar faces are here. Siyempre, this is the last gravel race of the year. In this race, all ages tayo. Kung mayroong mga bata, mayroon ding mga tito.
Dito tayo.
Video na video.
Video ba yan?
Good luck, good luck. No, good luck. Ito picture.
Best of luck to all of you. Let's ride!
Are you guys ready? Race Director John Butayan, mga last reminders that, sir. Steady race! We have waiting 40-49.
Go, go! Flat ako, shit, sayang. Phoenix. Okay guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung flat ko. Ayan. Bali, malaki yung butas niya. Hindi siya nag-seal. For some reason. Siguro hindi kinaya nung sealant natin. So, I have to plug it. At ayun nga, gapitin na natin to. And that's it guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari dun sa gulong ko. I did flat, pero it's not an excuse. I was happy to seal it. Siguro it takes me around 5 to 7 minutes para magawa yon kasi it's my first time to plug a tire. At siguro it's fortunate na rin na nasubukan ko siya para sa mga upcoming races or sa upcoming rides. Alam ko na yung gagawin ko. So yun, it is what it is. I flatted, and then syempre it's not the end of the race. We still have time, we still have to catch up. So yun, ride pa rin tayo. At kilometer 51, lumambot uli yung aking rear tire. Wala na akong CO2 kasi I've used it already doon sa aking pagkaka-flat after nung overpass doon sa SC-Tex. It was so unfortunate na isa lang yung aking nadalang CO2. At yun nga, buti na lang, I check on my hydration backpack, dala ko yung aking Cyclus. Doon ko kasi nilagay yung Cyclus ko nung bumiyahe kami papuntang Bicol. Kaya nagamit ko siya, and then ayun na naman, nagabol na naman ako. I've learned a lot in this race. Disrupted yung aking pacing. Kapag ka ganun na nagkakaroon ka ng aberya, nadi-disrupt yung pacing mo. Yung plano mong pacing may iba dahil for a time, naghahabol ka at nagiging sanhi yun para bumagsak ng mabilis yung power mo kasi nawawala yung pacing strategy mo. Kilometers 50 na lang. Kudos sa gumawa ng ruta. Shoutout Geno Cuenco for this beautiful route. Balikan natin ito. Shoutout din syempre sa organizers ng Gravelton. As always, as expected, yung mga marshals, yung mga nagga-guide doon sa mga specific at mga crucial turns, nandun yung mga marshals nyo para i-guide yung mga athlete or yung mga kasali sa race. And of course, mayroong mga hydration areas na nilagay ang organizer strategically para sa mga kagaya naming nalalaspag na. Nablat ako, coach eh. Nablat ako sa kilometer 30, tas kilometer 50. Alas.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go. go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient.
Halos naubos din ako sa race na to. As in, nalaspag ako kasi disrupted nga yung pacing. Imbis na nakakapag-pace ako ng tama. Since gusto mong makabalik kung saan nandun yung position mo bago ka na flat, naghahabol ka, na-disrupt talaga yung pacing ko. Yung plano kong pace, hindi ko nasunod. Kaya talagang nawasak din ako sa race na to.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Oh, congrats! Video to, video. Congrats. Picture. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sa shoutout lang natin yung mga posibleng manalo sa raffle.
Ay, pala kayo dito, mananalo sa raffle.
May pa-raffle itong Gravelton, kaya you have a chance na manalo sa raffle. Okay?
Shout out sa Pedalorians.
Yeah, congratulations ha. Congratulations sir. Shout out Lion Arts, Bike Brothers. Congrats.
Captain Solo.
Congrats sir ha. Anong pangalan mo sir?
Peter sir.
Taga saan po kayo? Isabela. Singapore kayo naka-base.
May gravel event nga doon sila doon tumatawid.
Kailan ang event? Kailan? Sige sir. Honestly speaking, I am expecting a good result in this race kasi alam ko naman na nakapag-ensayo ako. I did not expect to end this season na magkakaroon pa rin ako ng mechanical. Pero ganun talaga, hindi natin makokontrol lahat. Kinakailangan everything must go as planned at wala tayong maging ganong aberya. Ang importante is nakauwi tayo ng maayos at ligtas at nakasama natin ang iba't ibang mga gravel racers from different parts of our country at maging sa ibang bansa. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Gravelton Philippines para sa isa na namang successful event. Congratulations to all organizers and sponsors. Congratulations Team Factor Philippines, and congratulations to all podiumers and finishers. Until next year, ride safe and God bless.